And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mix Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mix Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the English version of the starter deck Gland Unity from the Gundam card game. Again, this is STO6 starter deck Gland Unity from the Gundam card game, and you will know that this is an English release because the text of the back is English. Yes. So yes, this is an English one, and glad that I got it. And let's see, open up and see what are the cards inside. Though they are definitely the same as the Japanese version, but of course, yeah. What I'm after here is the card on the booster. Right, so opening it up. Again, this is just the same as the Japanese version. The card list is just the same. What I'm after here is the promo card inside. So again, just a recap to see what's inside. Of course, we have the 50 card deck plus the resources, this bonus pack from the Clan Unity, and of course the instructions here on how to play. And of course, this is the deck. And as you can see, this is in English version. And yeah, it's just the same as the Japanese one. Let's see. Alright. So looking at the cards here, we have the G-Quacks, Omega Psychomu, we have the Red Gundam here, uh, the non-foil G-Quacks Psychomu. Actually, no, it's just a lower level one. Gaia's Ripdom, the Galgug, which is actually a GM. This is the Red Gundam, just a lower level one. Tegas Ripdom, so guys, Galgug, yeah, and of course Matthew is here. Of course, Suji is also here. Tactics, there's Unity, Clan Battle, Combat, and of course the resources are here as well as the EX resources and then the EX base. Now, aside for me opening up this one, the seller also gave me this as a bonus. So let's see what we have here in this booster pack. Oh, sorry, this bonus pack of the starter deck of Clan Unity. I think it's a Jeep. Oh, it's a full version of Sugai's Galgug. And of course, let's see what they have here. This is, I think, a collab from the G generation and the Gundam card game. The Gundam SD Gundam generation is actually a mobile game. Oh, they have two cards here. Oh, I see something that's nice. It's already a G-Quacks. A G-Quacks EX-based token. Nice. Oh, and just a lineup of the card game. So there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the version, or sorry, the English version of this Clan Unity starter deck from the Gundam card game. And of course, we pulled a, what do you call it, a Sugai's Galgug from the bonus pack from the starter deck, and of course from the freebie from the seller we have that EX base, which is actually, or basically, as you can see, is Gundam G Quacks. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.